Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gearing up. Put on the headset, secure controllers, and confirm tracking is stable. Once done, launch painting VR and pick a canvas size that matches your goal. Larger canvases need more GPU headroom. Choose a brush family, color palette, and set brush opacity so strokes behave predictably. Make sure dominant hand settings and comfort scale are configured now. Doing this first avoids awkward reorientation later. You're ready to place your first brush stroke on the virtual. You block in major shapes and values with a large, low-detail brush so composition reads at a glance. Then add dedicated layers for midtones, highlights, and textures. Name each layer to keep workflow clear. Use pressure sensitivity and brush tilt to vary stroke width and enable smoothing for cleaner curves. Once you see a form you like, lower brush size and paint edge detail, blending layers with soft brushes. Make incremental saves and snapshots to avoid losing progress. You finish by cleaning edges, merging or grouping layers for export, and applying final color corrections and sharpening. Export formats include PNG, TIFF, or layered PSD depending on whether you need editability. Rotate around the scene and inspect in 360 degrees to catch compositional issues. If you encounter performance stutter, lower canvas resolution, reduce brush density, or quit background apps. If tracking drifts, recalibrate controllers and check room lighting. Save a version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.